Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us the Sony stereo headphones MDR XB450 Extra Bass. These are over-ear wired headphones which have a stereo sound. So now let's look at the back of the box. Here you can see you have a visual of what the headphones look like. You can also see that they have bass booster, which means that they should have a tighter and punchier bass response. It provides an acoustically tight seal for superior sound isolation, deep bass sound and tight bass response as per Sony. They also come with direct sound delivering ear pads with soft cushions. So we'll look at that and we'll check that out in just a minute. The ear pads also swivel for flat and easy portability, and they come with 30 mm driver unit. It also comes with an L-shaped gold-plated stereo mini plug. So now let's open up the box and see what we have in here. So there you go. As you see, the box opens up pretty nicely and it has a very nice look. Everything is neatly tucked into where it should be. Here we have the operating instructions tucked away in this little compartment. And in here we actually have the headphones themselves as well as the wire of these headphones in this little pouch. So now let's set the box aside since there's nothing else in here and look at what we have. So let's extract the wire from this pouch. So these are actually flat TPE wires, which is really nice. They feel really good in the hand and they're also better when it comes to being tangle resistant. So once you tangle them like this and say it's in your bag, it will be easier to untangle. It usually is very resistant to tangles, which is great. So for anyone who has used wired headphones, you know how easily round cables tangle. So flat wires is certainly the way to go there. They also come with this L-shaped 3.5 mm audio jack. Now let's look at the headphones themselves. As you can see, they have this gorgeous CD-like finish, which is subtle, but at the same time, it is also striking. So when you're in a crowd, you certainly won't go unnoticed. It also has the Sony logos right here on both sides in white, which is also pretty subtle but nice. As you can see, the earphones swivel 90 degrees, so when they are not in use and sitting on your chest, you can just fold them flat and have them be unobtrusive that way. So now let's look at the ear pads. As Sony said, the ear pads are pretty plush. They are made out of foam and they have a leather covering. Now the thing with leather covering is it's often not too breathable. So they might get hot after you've used them for quite a period of time, but they should certainly be comfortable. However, the same cannot be said for the headband, which actually doesn't have any foam at all. It just has the plastic band, which feels like it could be pretty uncomfortable and it might create some pressure at the top of your head. They also have this slight tilt in the earphones, as you can see here, which is good since they can fit the shape of your ear. You also get extenders in the headbands right here. So if your head is big or small, you can just extend it or reduce it as per your liking. We're glad that they've added the headband extenders, but they seem a bit rough on the edges. It's very difficult to pull them and push them back in, especially when you've pulled them all the way through. So you're gonna have to live with that little design flaw. Here on the plastic extenders, you have the left and the right indicator. The left is in white and the right is in red, so it's pretty noticeable. And that's about it really for the headphones, and this was the unboxing of the Sony MDR XB450 over-ear stereo headphones. Thank you so much for watching this video.